Want to get free hosting and a free domain? You're watching WP Build Fix, and today I'll show you exactly how to set up your own website for 100% free using InfinityFree. First, go to Google and type InfinityFree. Click on the first link, the official site. Now click on the login button at the top. If you're new, scroll down and click Create New Account. Enter your Gmail address, create a strong password, agree to the terms and privacy policy, and complete the human verification. Click Next, then check your email inbox. Verify your email using the link they sent you. Once verified, click Create Account. You'll now see multiple hosting plans. Yes, there are some premium options, but we're going with the 100% free plan, and trust me, it's more than enough to get started. The free plan includes 5 gigabytes disk space, unlimited bandwidth, a free subdomain, like yourname.rf.gd. Now, in the domain box, search for your website name. I'm going with WebCrate and choosing the extension .rf.gd. So my full domain will be webcrate.rf.gd. Once you're happy, click Create, complete the human verification again, and that's it. Your free hosting account and subdomain are now created. It may take up to 72 hours to activate, but in most cases, it starts working within a few hours. That's it. You just got your free website up and running with no money at all. Congratulations from WebCrate. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because in the next video, I'll show you how to install WordPress on this domain and start building your site from scratch for free.